How many days has it been? A 1, a 2, a 3. Chomp, 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 chomp. How many times can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? New York State wildlife expert Richard Thomas found that a woodchuck could chuck around 35 cubic feet of dirt in the course of digging a burrow. Thomas reasoned that if a woodchuck could chuck wood, he would chuck an amount equivalent to the weight of the dirt, or 700 pounds. Okay. But there is an answer. Did you know there are 1 million ants per person in the world? Just learned that from College Humor. If I hold my bladder, would that count as my Kegel exercises for the day? Cool. Hashtag 6 seasons in a movie. Did you know that the color of your areola is the perfect shade for your lips? Incredible. There's this huge spider in my room, and I'm not sure if we're sharing the space or if it's its whole territory now, and I'm unfortunately in it. Have you ever chewed so hard your temples hurt? Why? Why is that? Someone please answer that. Is a tongue twister a tongue twister? As in, is the word tongue twister a tongue twister? Tongue twister, tongue twister, tongue twister, tongue twister. Why is my left armpit smellier than my right armpit? Questions not answered. Should I get it TikTok, or should I get a large Domino's 6 Wisconsin cheese pizza for only $14.99? God, in Austin it was like $8.99. Capitalism.